Here's a riddle that keeps showing up in myths. If a dragon guards treasure, where did the treasure come from? The trick is, the answer usually isn't the dragon made it. It's almost always the treasure came first. Across folklore, dragons aren't born rich. They collect, claim, or are assigned wealth. Then they sit on it like a living lockbox. Let me show you the pattern. Start with Fafnir from Norse mythology. Fafnir wasn't even a dragon at first. He was a dwarf. He and his brother inherited a massive hoard and a cursed ring from their father. The gold existed. The curse existed. Fafnir's greed turned him into a dragon so he could guard it. The dragon came after the wealth. Jump to Smaug, Tolkien's Smaug, who owes a lot to Northern European legends. Smaug didn't mine gold or invest it. He stole it, outright, from the dwarves of Erebor. He moved into the mountains, sprawled over the coins, and burned anyone who got curious. Again, conquest first, hoard second, dragon on top. In China, the dragon story takes a different turn. Chinese dragons are tied to rain rivers, the sea, natural order. When you see them with pearls, jade, magical artifacts, it isn't loot from a heist. It's stewardship. They're guardians of divine or natural wealth. Cosmic valuables, not petty cash. The treasure is sacred. The dragon is the lock. Back to early English epic, Beowulf. A slave stumbles on a barrow packed with ancient treasure. A dragon already lives there, coiled around a legacy it didn't create. Someone takes a cup, and the dragon erupts, defending the hoard like an alarm system with claws. The pile is older than the dragon's claim. So what's the common thread? Wealth precedes the dragon. It's human-made, God-given, magically accumulated, and the dragon arrives, by greed, fate, or duty, to guard it. Why does that matter? Because the legend isn't about earning. It's about possession. The dragon is a symbol for the urge to keep, to control, to freeze value in place. That's why the language feels riddle-like. The dragon's treasure sounds like cause and effect, but it isn't. The dragon doesn't explain the origin of wealth. The dragon explains why nobody else gets it. And yes, there are side threads, stories where dragons slowly accumulate gems or their presence is tied to the forces that produce riches. But even then, the point holds. The dragon hoards. The world, or the past, provides. So next time you hear about a dragon guarding a hoard, ask the better question. Whose treasure was it before the dragon? A king's ransom, a cursed inheritance, a divine pearl. Pick your origin. The dragon is the final chapter, not the first. That's the myth logic. Treasure first, dragon second. And that's why dragons feel ancient, powerful, and, strangely, uncreative. They don't make value. They sit on it. End of story.